Hello everybody, we create this slide until here. We create a first slide and then introduction. Some of you may ask, what should we tell in the introduction? We just read from here history and evolution, AI in everyday. We should read every of them or what we should do. I give you some prefers what you should do. We in the previous lessons put everything here in our notes. You see, we have the notes here. And I also tell you, you can from the view get another view. As you remember, which view we go here, and from here we can change our screen. Show presenter view. In presenter view, we paste all the data we have here. For example, we have artificial intelligence. We have a paragraph about artificial intelligence and about these 5 topics. How we are going to speak? We are going to read this paragraph, read the little of this paragraph, what you understand from this. For example, it says AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in a machine that are programmed to think, learn, and adapt. We are going to say like this. When we're talking about AI or artificial intelligence, you maybe think it's a hard thing or understand, or it's a thing that we can't understand without any knowledge. But we are going to tell you in an easy way. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence. You are going to tell them something like this. You are going to make a little of them, and after giving a little explanation about artificial intelligence, less than 30 seconds, you are going to speak about each of its topics around 20 or to 40 seconds. For example, how we are going to say, okay, in this presentation we are going to cover history of evolution of AI. In the history of evolution of AI, we talk about origins of AIs and its development and the key contribute to the fields. And in AI in everyday life, we are going to speak about highlight of how AI impacted life or how it can change the systems. You are going to talk like this. In this paragraph, in this slide, you must speak less than 5 minutes and more than 2 minutes. Why? Because when you give a summary of your presentation, everyone will better understand what you are going to do and where your presentation is going. And it's very important for the people to understand how your presentation is going. It's really important to know them. And as always, what I do is that when I have these notes, I just reduce them and in a picture, for example, in a notepad, I write 5, for example, unique names that I need to tell. For example, in history of AI, I just tell, for example, write origins, and I, for example, K contributes. I just write these 2 keywords for myself to when I am going to present. I just have a little paper that write these keywords. In each paper, I write a keywords of 1 slide, not more than 2. But doing that, I prepare myself for presentation and read this slide. Okay, in the next lesson, we are going to create the 5 topics, each slide in a presentation in a really good course to tell you everything you need. But I ask you, if you have any question and if I have any problem in presentation, I will be very happy to understand and tell me in the comments. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe and have a nice time until tomorrow. Bye.